Hi, let me show you how to enable Siri on any iPhone. For that, as a first step, we need to go ahead and open Settings. And in Settings, just scroll till you can see section Siri. Also, it can be presented as Siri and Apple Intelligence. Now, you need to go in Talk to Siri and select one of those two options, either Hey Siri or just Siri and Hey Siri. So let me show you how it works. We are going to pick the first option and we'll see this immediate suggestion to enable Siri. By tapping it, we would need to set it up. So we need to say aloud everything what will be displayed on the screen to teach Siri to recognize our voice. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And now it's ready to go. So we need to tap down. And if you want to, you can also press side button for Siri, and for that just toggle on the switch. Now if you want to use it on your lock screen, then also enable this feature Allow Siri when locked. And then you can customize it right here. But now let's test it. Let's ask Siri to set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. And as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Now let's try this out on the lock screen. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. And yep, it's working as well. Also, if you're planning to talk a lot, you just need to hold side button while you are talking, and Siri will capture everything. But once you are done talking, just release the button and she will give you an answer. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.